Okay, I wanted to share this morning, you guys, that if you're out there and you're looking to purchase a hospital bed, a mobility scooter, a power wheelchair, anything dealing with it comes to medical equipment with a motor, okay, you have to remember and keep in mind that if you don't purchase these items from either a local dealer or a company that's reputable online that has a history of making sure that if you purchase something, they're going to help you get it repaired. We often get calls from people who have purchased on third-party platforms for this equipment, or a online seller who they sell the equipment, but they don't know really much about the equipment, and they don't repair, and they're not going to give you information on who and where to go get it to repair. That's why we really try to push people to please shop local. Please shop with your local provider. If you do not have a local provider and you feel like, okay, well, I went there, they're not really helpful, what have you, then that's different. But give them an opportunity, okay? Give them opportunity, because what happens a lot of times, I'll give you an example this morning, we get a call, a gentleman who's purchased something on a third-party platform, and he now needs it repaired. It's damaged, whatever happened, we don't know, but he needs it repaired. So unfortunately, we can't touch anything that did not get purchased from us because of liability. We don't know if it was damaged before. We don't know anything about it, right? Because we didn't sell it. So now he's frustrated because he feels like, now I'm having to call around everywhere. He tells us, oh, so I got to call around all day long trying to find a repair company. Unfortunately, probably so. If you can't find someone who is willing to to touch it or what have you. Not to say companies aren't out there to do it, but you have to find one. But it's so important because remember, if you shop local, if you purchase it from a legitimate online a company that literally probably bills insurance, probably, do these things that's really in depth of what they do when it comes to this medical equipment, then 9 times out of 10, you're going to get some help. You have to remember that. These are warranties, these are engineered products. And a lot of times I find that people go on and they purchase some of these products online because they're much cheaper. But then you got to remember, there's under cages under these beds. Sometimes have 9 points. They need to be lubricated. All of these things, there's a lot of things that go into when it comes to medical equipment. It is so important that you shop local. It's so important that you get it from a legitimate company who this is what they do. They know if they can troubleshoot with you over the phone. They can show you how to use these products properly, because that's another thing too. You get these products and you don't even know how to use them. And the first thing you say is, oh, this product is no good. A lot of times it's not that the product isn't any good. Now, I'm not speaking about these cheap products and all these things. I'm speaking about quality type of medical equipment, hospital beds, scooters, mobility items, these type of things. That's what I'm speaking about, okay? So just make sure to do that. And because just know, a lot of times people are not going to repair it for you. It's cheaper now, but you're going to pay for it at the end, because then you can't even use it, or it's being used the wrong way. So all these things it's just critical, okay? Think of it as a car, right? That's how you have to look at it. And so I hope this information has helped someone today. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 310-817-5373. That's CFS Medical Supplies and Equipment, CFS Solutions, DBS, okay? www.cfsmedicalequipment.com. So just remember, local, okay? Local. Or an online, semi-local, good platform.